Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am attempting to do a Zodiac challenge where I'm going to try and create a look inspired by each astrological sign as it comes around on the calendar. So this is my Capricorn inspired look, of course influenced by the Capricorn symbol, which is the half goat, half fish. So I hope you guys like it. Let's get started. For the majority of this look, I'm going to be relying on this contour and highlight palette from NYX. I'm going to start off by contouring straight down either side of my nose to make it look as long and thin as possible. Then moving on to the cheeks, I'm going to contour at a very steep downward angle because goats tend to have faces that taper off towards their nose, so we kind of want to create that same elongated and tapering effect using our contour. Then using my widest highlighter, I'm going to highlight down my nose and on the apples of my cheeks all the way up to my eyeballs to make myself look extra pasty today. And with my darkest contour color, or you can use your own eyeshadow or face paint or whatever you do have on hand, I'm going to draw in my cute little goat nose. Using my normal concealer, I'm just going to conceal my upper lip because goats don't have upper lips like we humans do. So just going to conceal that and then dust that over with the same highlighter we were just using. I'm going to grab the same color I used on my nose and fill in my bottom lip. Then using a small brush, I'm going to draw a line from my nose to my bottom lip. I'm going to go ahead and touch up my nose here. And then using my finger, I'm going to dab highlighter onto my nose to give it a wet effect because as we know, most animals have a wet nose most of the time. Then I decided to use a brown color and draw downward sloping lines in the inner corner of my eyes that connect up to my bottom waterline. There's no real rhyme or reason why I did this. I just thought it'd be a good idea at the time. Then I tried for what felt like ages to get my hair up. It took a very long time and was definitely the hardest part of this whole entire look. I did manage to get it up there, although it was a hot mess. Now these are goat ears that I made out of aluminum foil that I just folded to have the goat ear shape. Then I painted the inside with pink acrylic paint and covered the outside with cotton balls. Super easy peasy. And then I shoved those into my wig cap and they managed to stay. It was a small miracle in and of itself. Now we know that all the coolest goats have beards. I'm just kidding, that's not actually factual. So let's make our beard. I'm going to grab some cotton balls and just pull those apart to look like fur or hair. And then I'm going to grab my liquid latex. This is the super cheap kind off Amazon. And I'm going to dab bits of liquid latex under my jaw and around my jawline. And then stick those cotton balls right on top to form my beard. And you can build this up to be as big and thick or as thin as you want it to be. If you don't have liquid latex, you can definitely use eyelash adhesive or any skin safe adhesive that you have at home will work just fine. Then I'm going to contour my collarbones just to make myself look a little bit prettier. And that is the whole look, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out and watching this video. Happy late birthday to all of my Capricorn friends. If you are not a Capricorn, feel free to leave in the comments what your sign is because we will get around to it this year. And I'd love to know what your sign is. Also, if you have any comments on what you'd like to see next, feel free to drop those below as well. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. That would be greatly appreciated as always. Anyway, thanks again so much for watching, guys. See you next time.